What if I told you that the person you trust the most is lying to your face right now and you're completely missing the signs? Most people look for sweaty palms or shaky voices, but professional liars already know how to hide those. Welcome back. Today, we're going beyond basic body language. We're diving into the world of cognitive cues, the mental glitches that happen when a pathological liar's brain starts to overheat. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot a liar by watching how they think, not just how they move. Let's get into it. First, you need to understand one thing. Lying is hard work for the brain. When you tell the truth, you just remember a fact. It's easy. But when a pathological liar creates a story, their brain has to do three things at once. Invent the lie, make sure it doesn't contradict what they said before, and act natural while doing it. This is called cognitive load. Think of it like a computer trying to run too many programs at once. Eventually, it starts to lag. To spot a liar, you just have to look for the lag. Here is a trick used by federal investigators that works every time. Most liars memorize their stories in a straight line, from beginning to middle to end. It's like a script. If you suspect someone is lying, ask them to tell the story backward. Ask them, before you got into the car, what was the very last thing you said to him? A truth teller can jump around their memory because they actually lived it. A pathological liar will struggle. Their brain has to recalculate the timeline, and you'll see long pauses, blinking, or them getting angry because you interrupted their flow. We've all heard that liars give too much detail, right? Well, that's only half the truth. Pathological liars are experts at selective detail. They will give you incredibly vivid details about things that don't matter, like what color the napkins were, to make the story feel real. But here is the cue. When you ask about the core of the story, the important stuff, they suddenly become vague. If they can describe the weather for 10 minutes but can't explain why they were 2 hours late without repeating the same 2 sentences, you're looking at a lie. They are protecting their mental energy by sticking to a pre-written script for the hard parts. Have you ever asked someone a direct question and they responded by repeating the question back to you? You ask, "Did you take the money?" They say, "Did I take the money?" Why would you even ask if I took the money? This is a massive cognitive cue. They aren't shocked. They are buying time. Their brain is frantically trying to build a plausible lie, and repeating your question gives them an extra 2 seconds to load the file. Truthful people usually respond with a no or a what before they even finish processing the shock. Liars need the buffer. Forget the myth that liars can't look you in the eye. Pathological liars actually make more eye contact because they are trying to see if you believe them. They are looking for detection cues in your face. Instead, look for gaze aversion during the difficult parts of their story. When a human brain is working hard to retrieve or create information, we usually look away at a blank wall or the floor to reduce distractions. If they are staring intensely at you while telling a complicated story, they aren't being sincere. They are performing. Spotting a liar isn't about being paranoid. It's about being protected. Once you start seeing these cognitive glitches, you can never unsee them. You'll start to notice who is speaking from memory and who is speaking from imagination. If this helped you see through the fog, hit that subscribe button and join the VaxlyMind community. We're here to help you master your mind and understand the world around you. Have you ever caught a liar using one of these signs? Tell me your story in the comments below. I read every single one. Check out our next video on how to read body language instantly right here. See you there.